Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you PS4 how to fix keyboard. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to have two controllers. And once you do that, all you gotta do is turn off the device that is your main controller. And once you click on turn off device, then select the main controller and then turn it off. And then what you need to do is the second thing is connect the second controller, and then once you connect it, simply turn off the device once again, click on it and then select the second controller. And once you do that, all you gotta do is once again connect your main controller connecting to your PS4. And once you do that, that should probably fix your issue. And that's basically how to fix keyboard on PS4. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.